guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting this video in my kitchen, and today I'll be showing you how to prepare the best Swahili pilau. Are you ready? For the ingredients, I'll be using the following. This is rice. Okay, I'll be washing this rice and let it dry for some time. The next thing that I'll be using is this. This is meat. I've already boiled the meat. I'll also be using salt. I'll be using these. These are Royco cubes. I think you can read for yourself. These are Royco cubes, beef ones. And I'll also be using tomato paste. I prefer using peptang. And remember guys, this video is not sponsored by any company. I'm just trying to show you things that I use and they've worked for me. I'll also be using onions. As you can see, this is just enough. I've used 3 onions. I'll also be using this paste. It's a paste that I've made out of ginger and garlic. So this is 1 big tablespoon. Yeah, I think this is enough. I'll also be using this. This is Pilau Masala. I've grounded this. So this is just a mixture of this. Yeah, this is Pilau whole. Yeah, it's a mixture of cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, and cumin seeds. So basically this. So stay tuned guys. Let me go straight to the procedure of preparing the pilau. Add this to my pot, pan, sufuria, call it whatever you want to call it. So this is my sufuria. Next, I add my cooking oil. So this is what I'm using. Fresh fry. I really love using this oil. It's cholesterol free. Remember, this video is not sponsored. I'm just showing you things that I use that have worked for me. So always make sure at this point you wait for the onions to cook. Like the only color we want to see here is golden brown, not any dark color than that. So that is where we always get our brown color of pilau. Never add soy sauce to your pilau to make it brown. So the secret is here. As you can see, the color is starting to come out. The brown color is coming out so well. We already have the brown color that we wanted. So this is the dark brown color. I think you can see it. Not dark brown, golden brown. So at this point, we are going to add our garlic. So ginger and garlic. So this is the ginger. It's 1 tablespoon. Ginger and garlic I've just added. It looks so sweet, so delicious. So next, what are we going to do? You're supposed to add the masala. Yes, Pilau Masala. And after adding the masala, we add salt to taste. And finally, we'll be adding what? Tomato paste. So I think you followed the procedure well. Yeah. Next time, you are the one who will be preparing this pilau for us. Sawa, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Sawa. So this is the color. I think you can see the color is coming out so well. So the next step. Yeah, these are beef Royco cubes. I've used beef Royco cubes because I'm preparing beef pilau. So in case you are going to prepare chicken pilau, we also have chicken Royco cubes. So I'll be using 2 of them, and always make sure to reduce the amount of salt that you'll be using, because you know these Royce cubes have salt already. So I'm really loving that color. Wow, wow. Next I'll be adding my Pilau Masala, the one that I grounded. God, the aroma. I really love the smell. At this point, we are going to add our meat. I want the meat also to have that lovely smell. After adding the meat, I'll add my tomato paste. At this point, I'll add salt to taste. I'll definitely test this to make sure that the salt is enough. So, now add this. This is tomato paste. I like using pepper. My kids are making a lot of noise. Just bear with the noise, guys. When kawaida kwa na watoto. No worry. So I'll be using 2 sachets. You can also create tomatoes and use them if you don't have tomato paste. But for my case, I love using tomato paste. Oh my God. Everything is turning out so well. Show them, show them, show them, show them. They're like that. Wow. At this point, I'm going to add my rice. I've already washed my rice and all the water has drained. So I'll just